Alright guys, welcome back to Dutch's Deal of the Week. Today we are bringing back a 1978 Dodge Aspen street kit car. One of 145 made, 1978 only. Let's see what we got here. This one looks like it might be a pretty decent candidate. So, it is going to be based out of Oregon. So, a little bit of the seller's details there. Build sheet, yada yada. Interior needs redone. You can expect that from a car that's 43 years old. $7,500. Clean title. This is a pretty good deal from the numbers we are seeing regularly pretty much now. This one does have some clear coat fading, which it should not have had clear coat factory. So this car was cleared once in its life, and it looks like the fender flares might have had a color change. But looks like it's all there pretty much. The flares, the rear spoiler, the straps, the front windshield tabs, all of that. Bumpers look in pretty nice shape. So interior wise, no, it's got a couple cracks in the dash pad, which is not bad. Tough wheel did stay. Looks like it does have some options for, console car, whatnot. So, but I'd say this would pull off a great, ratty Mopar muscle car. Just clean it up a little bit, maybe do some patina restoration. But I'd say this one, it checks off all the boxes for me. I mean, it looks like it's still got the 15x8 wheels that those came with factory. So I mean, that's great. Just having a full set of those nowadays is really hard to find. So, but yeah, for $7,500, I think this is a great buy. Seller details, getting into the ad, and it is over in Oregon, but there is shipping out there, and for $7,500, I think that leaves a lot on the table to, make up for having to ship it across the country if you live on the East Coast. But I'd like to see some, as always, some frame rail shots and what the floors look like underneath. But besides that, for $7,500, you're getting a lot for your bargain right there. So if that's something you're looking for, check it out. Guy might have it, but I wouldn't sit on it very long because these cars like that, they're few and far between. There's not that many left, and being the Dodge Richard Petty, it is the rarest of the bunch. So they only made 145. They made 247 in the Plymouth. So don't sit on your couch and watch this one go by. This might be the car you're looking for. So, but as always, guys, appreciate you listening. This is Dutch Deal of the Week. So I'll catch you next week, and we'll talk to you later.